Hello everyone and welcome to a video that I wasn't planning on filming today, but why the heck not? Daylight savings has happened, I have sunlight later on in the day, I should take advantage of this. Makes me happy anyways. And I got a Stitch Fix in the mail, so I feel like I've done quite a few Stitch Fixes recently. That was purely because I did a normal Stitch Fix, then a sponsored opportunity came up, and now I've got this Stitch Fix. So normally I only do these videos every other month. I mean, granted, by the time you guys see this, maybe it's been a while since I posted my last Stitch Fix video, but I am, you know, technically, I mean, I'm a Stitch Fix affiliate, so if you want to use my link down below, I would really appreciate it. But otherwise, I mean, these videos, I'm a normal customer. I pay for my boxes, I pay for the clothes that I get in the boxes, all that stuff. So I am here to give you an honest review on these Stitch Fixes. I think they're a lot of fun. I think every other month, like I do, is the perfect amount of time. As a quick summation, Stitch Fix is clothing subscription styling service type of a thing online. You know, you go on, you take your, not personality quiz, your style profile quiz where you can say which outfit you like the best, what colors you like. You can tell Stitch Fix what you're looking for. Are you looking for workwear, casual wear, sweaters, skirts, accessories, scarves, purses, shoes, you know, and they will try and customize it to you the best they can. You get 5 items in each Stitch Fix, and then you only pay for what you keep. Technically, there is a $20 styling fee, so you do pay $20 for a fix, but then whatever clothing, if you decide to keep any of the clothing, that $20 that you paid to get the box gets deducted off of that. So if you're gonna keep one shirt that's $45, you already paid the 20 bucks for the box, you only have to pay 25 additional dollars to keep that shirt. There's also the extra incentive that if you keep all 5 items in your box, you get 25% off of all of the items in the box. They also have extras now, which, like I said, I did a whole sponsored video on that if you want to see about extras. I didn't order any extras this time because I ordered a ton of them last time. I can tell you guys I am so happy. I think the happiest with the underwear. All of the underwear I got, super nice, super high quality, super awesome, both the Stitch Fix brand and the not Stitch Fix brand. I think, what was it called, like Hanky Panky. And then I'm really happy with the socks, both the no-show socks and the squishy soft socks from Stitch Fix. And then those camis, oh, they're perfection. They're so just, they make you feel like a sausage in the best way, like comfiest, nicest way possible. So the extras I'm still super duper happy with. Really great. But I mean, I only need so many camis, and I've got a lot of camis, especially now that I've added those two to my collection. Crack on in here, we'll see what they sent. I feel like this box is a lot skinnier than I've gotten for a while. Everything always comes really nicely packaged in Stitch Fix. You also do get a return bag. It is pre-postage labeled and everything, so completely free for you. Anything you don't want, throw it in the bag, pop it in the mail, and that's all taken care of. You don't have to keep anything that you don't want to keep. Oh no, it fell out! I also always love that, go back in there, the little envelope that shows you all of the clothing that your stylist picked out for you, you know, how much it costs and everything. Pop that out, it says, oh, hello! I don't know why. I really do. I think that is, it's really cute. And then, like I said, this seems really skinny for 5 items to be in this little pack here, but let's see. You guys seemed to, sorry, that's noisy. Ooh, interesting. You guys seemed to enjoy the way that I did the unboxing where I haven't seen the items yet, so this is a surprise for all of us. But I see a piece of jewelry here on the top, so they tend to send these out. Those are not my style. Those are a lot. That's a lot. These are by Rebecca Minkoff. I know a lot of people love her stuff, but that's a lot. That's a lot. I really don't think I would wear these. They're cute, and I could see on the right person these looking really cute, but there's so much. That's a lot of earring. That's a lot. I really like the colors. I really like aquas and teals and navies and stuff, but I just, that's not... Gonna put that right back in the box there, and then we will move on. I saw a very brightly colored blouse. Okay. I mean, I'm liking the details of it so far. This might be one of those blouses that looks a lot better on. And I do like that it's super colorful. This is by Pale Sky. I don't think I've gotten anything from them before, but it's a tank top blouse. And it's got a mix of blues and red. And the top part is like a combination of mesh, as you can see there. And then also the crochet on the front. On the back, it's got the buttons down the back, which I think is really, really cute. And like I said, this might be one of those pieces that I put on and I feel fantastic in it. Looking at it, it's a lot. It's a lot. Like those earrings. It's just a lot to look at. So we'll see. I'll have to try this on and maybe I'll feel better about it. Here we have the importance of trying things on, folks. I really like this. I can totally see this. I have this one cardigan in particular, this navy blue cardigan that I could see on top of this. I really like this crochet cutout and the mesh. It's just something interesting and different. I love the buttons down the back. I think that is so super stinking cute. I could totally wear this just on its own too. I think it fits really nicely. Like, it's not too tight across the bust and it's nice and loose in the waist, so it feels really comfy. It's a good length for the front, and then in the back, you know, it's like a high-low, so it's nice and covers my tush. I mean, the pattern, it's like, it's not my favorite, but now that it's on, I really like it. You know what I mean? And it's just comfy, it's lightweight, and I like all of the little details here. Oh, this is really expensive. Sometimes it's just the little details that makes things really expensive. This is $64, you guys. And this is one of the times where Stitch Fix and other subscription type things get you. Because it's like, now I have the thing. And I have the thing on my body and I like the thing. Because if I found this in store, I probably wouldn't be as willing to pay the money. But now that I have it, and I'm like feeling myself in it, and it's already like in my home, I want to keep it. The colors are just so bright and happy, and if I think of it in the sense that I already paid $20, then it would be like a $40-some tank top. Oh, here come the justifications. Next up, I see something navy and lace. This looks right up my alley, but also like things I've been sent before. Oh no, 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 no. Maybe did I forget? Maybe I forgot to put on my note. I wish the notes for Stitch Fix, like, stuck around. Because I always tell them, don't send me cold shoulder tops. I don't like the way cold shoulder tops look on me. I don't feel comfortable in them. But okay, we've got a navy lace blouse here from Market and Spruce. It feels really nice, like it feels like a nice hefty lace. I like the kind of, you know, like unfinished ruffle at the bottom, and also that the sleeves are transparent, like that's a cool detail. And then it's got an exposed zipper in the back, which I tend to really like, although that feels quite heavy compared to this really soft jersey material that is on the back of the shirt. So I mean, this shirt feels really comfy and really well made. Like, it really does feel very soft on the back. That's really nice. But like I said, I just don't like cold shoulder tops. I will try it on because that is something about Stitch Fix that I do like, is that it pushes me out of my comfort zone. You know, things that I otherwise am like, woohoo, and I would never try on in the store. This makes me at least try it on here in the comfort of my own home and in front of thousands of people on the internet. So, you know, that's comforting, right? Right, so here is the cold shoulder top on me, you guys. I don't hate it. This is honestly probably one of my more favorite cold shoulder tops that I've ever tried on in my life. And I don't think it's just because I'm uncomfortable with showing all of my scarring and stuff on my shoulders, but I just think it makes me look broader than I am. Like, I would love it if this lace was actually a sleeve, right? Like, that's oodles cuter than having it so low on my arms like this and with my shoulders out. It's really comfy and it's a really nicely made t-shirt, and the lace feels super nice. I like that it's kind of like shimmy kind of lace. The back of the shirt is a super nice comfortable cotton feeling thing. It's also a good length on me, you know, just kind of hits right where I feel like a shirt should hit. And I like the color. I don't like cold shoulder tops. So this is $48 and I can't pay $48 for something I would never wear, you know? We've got a couple more items here, both of which, ooh, I'm excited about. One I see is like a nice mustard with some pomp. I'm really excited about seeing what that is. And then I'm also excited this shirt feels really nice. Figaro is having a moment in his new box. If you're wondering what all of that noise is, okay, so this first top here, woohoo! I don't know, we'll see on this one. This one has probably the most potential so far. So this is a black shirt. I wear a lot of black. I like black. It's a really nice, like stretchy, not quite jersey, but it's a nice, like cottony feeling t-shirt material, but like a really soft cotton feeling material. The shoulders and sleeve are like cut out lace, so that will be see-through, which I appreciate. It looks really nicely, like well made, you know, the lace and everything. The only thing where I'm kind of like, is that there's a big old cutout here in the center, and I don't necessarily mind showing off cleavage, but I tend to not show off the girls too much. A lot of times it's just attention that I don't want drawn on me. But we'll see. Like I said, maybe I'll put this on and it won't be too bad. Maybe the cleavage level will be comfy for me. Boobies! I'm just so not used to my boobalas hanging out all over the place, but I mean, and they're not hanging out all over the place. It's just more than I'm used to, but I think this looks good on me, you guys, right? Like, this is cute. I like the length of the sleeve. It's a really cool, interesting pattern that I don't feel like I've seen before for a crochet lace type of thing. It does have this slit here, which maybe I'll get used to, but it's super comfy, super nice, like stretchy and lightweight and just good feeling. I really like the neck of this. I don't know, something about that I just really like. It's like a plain type back and everything, and it's a good length on me. I don't know that you're gonna be able to tell with my black shorts, but it comes to here, you know? I think I like this, you guys. It's like, it's fancy, but it could be casual too, but like you could totally dress this up with a skirt or something, but you could also dress it down. This is $48, which yeah, for a t-shirt, that's a lot, but like, I'm kind of feeling myself in this. What do you guys think? I really kind of like it on me. Alright. Last but not least, I think I'm the most excited. I was the most excited about this. Now I'm not so sure. First off, this looks tiny. This is an extra large? Okay. I'll take your word for it, but it looks tiny. Ugh, I thought this was at like the bottom of the shirt. It looks like it might be a little clownish. Also, I'm assuming it's off the shoulder. I never wear these kind of tops, but I love the color. I love these kind of like goldenrod mustardy colors. I love the buttons down the front, very cute, and I do really like this detail. If it were down here, that would make me a happy, happy Cassie. And if this wasn't off the shoulder, because like I said, I do not do off the shoulder, and I feel like having these pom-poms on my pom-poms, if you get what I'm saying, it's just, like I said, it's a lot of extra attention to that area that I try to avoid. I have to be honest, I don't hate this as much as I thought I would, but I don't like it. I just, off the shoulder stuff, it doesn't do it for me, and it's, all of the attention is here, and I tend to not want to bring more emphasis to my bosom. I like the color. I really like the goldenrod. I like that mixed with the black and white, and like I said, I would love if this were like at the bottom and it wasn't this flappy clown type of a bib thing. It's just not for me, and it's $58 for this, so I'm not gonna pay $58 for something that I don't love, you know? So, womp womp. But I tried it on, and like I said, I don't hate it as much as I thought I would. So, yay for trying things on. We shall see with all of the stuff, you guys. I don't have high hopes that I'm going to be keeping much, if any, of this. This seems to have been a big miss. I'm curious, what did my stylist say? What was she thinking when putting this together for me? Now that springtime is just around the corner, I wanted to send you some fun pieces for the season ahead. Respectable, I respect that. Since you've mentioned before you primarily need tops and jewelry for my YouTube videos, which I like that, you know, it's very customized. You tell them, you know, what you're looking for and why. So she says, I have focused on those today, which is great. Says, what do you think? I look forward to your honest feedback as always. Thank you so much and talk soon. So that's great. I mean, like I said, they do really appreciate honest feedback at Stitch Fix, which, like I said, I very much appreciate. So all of that makes sense as to why these things were sent to me. I'm curious to try them on. You guys have already seen by now. What did I think? Did I like this box better than I anticipated? We shall see. Well, you have already seen. I shall see in the future, but I just hope you guys enjoyed this Stitch Fix. I hope you enjoyed unboxing it with me. Like I said, I think these are a lot of fun, and they're just a fun way for me to at least try stepping out of my comfort zone. If I don't end up keeping anything, I feel like I'm okay with having spent $20 to at least have pushed myself to have tried the new things. You get what I'm saying? And I like doing these videos because then, like I said, my stylist can look at the videos and be like, okay, so she wasn't so keen about these things, or okay, so she really liked those things. You get what I'm saying? It's a win-win-win-win-win in my eyes, and hopefully it's an extra win if you all enjoyed watching me unbox this stuff. So if you did enjoy this Stitch Fix unboxing, if you are thinking about getting Stitch Fix yourself, any of that, like I said, down below I always have my affiliate link, but it is an affiliate link, just so you are aware. If not, I just hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!